not going to be fun. So we've got like maybe 4 groups of 10. Do our thing. Hey, so be safe and pick a drive. About 10 per group.
Okay, people are heading. We're heading out to the car show and barbecue. There we setting up their car, getting ready for the quote car show. I guess it's not a concours, it's a car show. We're not really certain, so we'll find out because this is our first rendezvous. It's looking good, seeing all these beautiful cars sitting in one spot. We have the soft window and the hard window Targa 912s here. And Polizza. We have the 912 Polizza. Or better yet, it's fire chief.
I love it.
Suitcases.
Hi.
They're good, but they're not that good.
Maybe I can get a real glass. I don't want to go to a fire.
It's not the only I'll try to be more entertaining and much more inebriated. Go to the goodie store, they volunteered to do it. Well, as John said, Carol, the new editors of 912 Rendezvous magazine, and hopefully
You
we'll
haven't seen it. We have your number.
I'm leaving at 7.